Hey guys, today let's learn how to make our own AI generated music or basically video. So how do you basically know and learn how to make your own AI generated videos? Well, in order for us to do this, one of the leading applications that we could use, which is also very convenient, is Canva. So what I want you guys to do once you're already on the Canva is to go on over and tap on Magic Studio. As you would see, we do have a lot of different AI softwares over here we could use with Canva. It has also been built into Canva. Just go ahead and just search for this option to use Magic Design with video. Tap on try now, tap on try Magic Design, and this is actually going to allow you to create your own, let's say, Reels video post to post on Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform automatically without you editing it whatsoever. So all we need to do is to enter our assets. So let's say that I'm going to go ahead and enter a few photos over here to use for the video. And then we can actually proceed with entering the specific prompt of what we want to go ahead and see after the AI software creates the video. So let's say we want to go ahead and create a video to promote the usage of recyclable water bottle. So from here, just tap on generate, and this is basically going to start generating this AI generated video for us with our assets. And it's also going to go ahead and add some necessary music, necessary text, and transitions as well. It's basically going to give us the final product of a video to post on whichever platform you prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit play and show you guys what this looks like. As you would see, that is the specific result. You can also go ahead and adjust this out yourselves if you want to go ahead and do some miniature adjustments with this AI generated video on Canva. And essentially, that is how you guys could create your own videos using your assets on Canva using AI. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.